Hey guys, it's Tim here with Goat Reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at these 3x3" transparent sticky notes. And I'm really excited to review these because I've been hearing a lot of buzz about them. So apparently these are not only good as sticky notes, but you can also use them as trace paper, which is pretty cool. Although apparently only certain pencils and pens can write on them. So that's what we're going to be testing today, and we also will test the tracing. So the first claim is that it can accept lead pencil. So I've got my favorite mechanical pencil, the Kuru Toga here, and we're going to give that a test. And yes, absolutely, that can write. The next claim is a colored pencil. So I've just got a purple pencil here, which we'll also test. A little bit faint, yes, but it does write. Just for comparison, I've got an A4 paper here. See, it's just a little bit darker on there, although it does still write. Next is ballpoint pens. So we'll give that a test. Yep, that doesn't appear to have any issues at all. The next one is oil-based markers. So I'm not sure what it means by oil-based, but I do have a Sharpie here we're going to test. So test, that looks pretty good to me. And the final thing that it claims to be able to accept is highlighters. So we're going to give that a test too, maybe just over here. Okay, so look, as far as I'm concerned, the ink appears to be bunching up a bit, and I would not say that's a pass from me. That should really be looking like on the paper there with these nice full strokes. So that's a fail for the highlighter. Now onto what it can't allegedly handle is water-based pens. So I've got this water-based pen here, and yeah, you can already see how the ink, kind of like the highlighter, is bunching up a bit and not really sticking. For comparison, on the paper, nice and smooth down there. Okay. Now, the other thing that I wanted to test, it's not on the list of claims, but I have this wax highlighter, which I thought would be cool to test. So we'll give that a go. And yeah, that looks to be a lot better than a standard highlighter. So that's good to know. So we're going to give this a bit of a test just by rubbing it with my finger to see how things hold up. Okay. So everything on the left seems pretty fine. Oh gee, so look at that. So the wax highlighter did all right, got a bit smudged. The watery normal highlighter did terribly, and the water-based ink pen did atrociously, got almost completely rubbed off. I did want to test as well an eraser just on the pencil to see if it can rub off there. Yeah, looks like an eraser does work on this as well. Awesome. So there's our test results, guys. The next thing we're going to test is the trace paper ability. So let's go ahead and grab a different color, maybe our green here. And I've got a magazine on hand, just my copy of PSA. And we're going to have a go at tracing something. So what have we got? Ooh, here we go. Wayne Gretzky. We'll chuck that down on this young man and give it a go. Now, I'm no artist, guys, so please excuse me. I'm just going to give a very rough outline here of Wayne. Okay, we'll get his helmet and we'll have a bit of a look. Awesome. And yeah, that was really easy to see through onto, oh my God, I forgot his eye, but there it is. There's the trace paper. So as you can see, it definitely holds up to the claim of being trace paper as well. So who might like to buy this product? Well, if you're someone who already uses sticky notes and you fancy the idea of having the transparency and you're not turned off by the inability to use certain pen types, this is definitely a cool product. And also being able to use it as trace paper is a really nice bonus as well. Thanks for watching and take care. Now for all my loyal viewers and subscribers, you guys are legends and I hope you liked the video. I've left a link to the item for you below and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review.